Have you ever wondered if you're doing things the right way when it comes to using Git? If you're in your first software engineering class and trying to figure out branching, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into the question, do we really need to branch in Git? I totally get it. It can be confusing when you're learning to work in a team for the first time, especially with tools like Git and GitHub. You're not the only one feeling this way. Many new developers face the same dilemma. Here's the situation. One user asked why their team should branch off the master when others are just pulling from the master, making edits and pushing back to it. They're wondering if branching is really necessary since it seems to be working for their group. So, what's the deal with branching? The purpose of branching is to create a safe space for development. It allows you to work on new features without affecting the main code base. But is it really necessary if everyone is working on their local master? Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of why branching can be beneficial, even if it seems like a hassle right now. First, let's clarify the purpose of branching in Git. Branching allows the user to create a separate line of development. This means they can work on new features or fixes without affecting the main code base, which is often referred to as the master branch. Next, while the user's teammates are working on their local master, they are indeed isolating their changes. However, this can lead to complications, especially when multiple people are making changes simultaneously. Branching helps to manage these changes more effectively. Now, let's discuss collaboration. When the user branches off the master, they can work independently and then merge their changes back into the master once they are complete. This process reduces the risk of introducing errors into the main code base. Additionally, branching allows for better organization of work. Each feature or fix can have its own branch, making it easier to track progress and manage different tasks within the project. Finally, using branches can enhance the overall workflow. It encourages practices like code reviews and testing before merging changes into the master, leading to a more stable and reliable code base. Fun fact, the concept of branching in version control is like having multiple paths in a choose-your-own-adventure book. You can explore different storylines without ruining the main plot. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that having a stable master branch is essential. They recommend creating separate branches for different features, like pulling data or applying logic. Each team member can work independently on their branch, and once their code is stable, they can open a pull request to merge their changes into the master branch. This way, everyone can review the code before it becomes part of the stable version. By using branches, the team ensures that the master branch remains stable while allowing for experimentation and development in separate branches. This process helps maintain code quality and facilitates collaboration. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. This user explains that while working directly on the master branch is common, it's not encouraged when multiple people are involved. They suggest creating separate branches for features, like adding Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, to allow parallel development. This way, each feature can be developed independently and merged back into the master branch later. When you clone a repository, Git fetches all remote branches and creates a local master branch for you. You can view all branches using the command git branch-a to see both local and remote branches. Here's a pro tip. Encourage your team to adopt branching as a standard practice. It may seem like an extra step now, but it will save you headaches down the road. And there you have it. Branching in Git is not just a suggestion. It's a best practice that can enhance your team's workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering Git and software development.